Hi there, students. A postulant. A postulant. I think nowadays, most commonly, this is somebody who is trying to join a religious order, somebody who's seeking admission into a monastery or a religious order. So the postulants went to the abbey to formally make their requests. Now, you could use this word, a postulant, as a candidate, an aspirant, an entrant. But most normally this word postulant is used for religious orders. Now, I'm pretty sure you can use this word, a postulant, for college fraternities. Postulants are people who have applied to be initiated to become members of a fraternity at an American college, and they still have not been initiated into it, or they are still going through the process. I think you probably could use this word postulant for other things, a postulant for a job, although it would sound incredibly formal. I think you might use it as a joke, the applicant, the postulant for a job, but most postulant is used for applicants to become a priest, is a person who makes an application, but especially as a candidate for a religious order. Somebody who's asking for something. This word comes from postulare in Latin, from postulans, to request. And this is the point. The postulant is requesting entry into the order. I suspect that if you want to join the Masons, you become a postulant. This is somebody who has made their application, but they haven't been admitted yet. They haven't gone through the formal joining ceremonies. Okay, and this is the idea of a postulant, somebody who's trying to get in, a candidate, an applicant. I think normally a postulant monk or a postulant nun is normally a postulant for at least 2 years, and I think very often 4 or even more. So they're not officially accepted yet. They're being considered for selection, and I think that's the idea with a postulant. Okay, so let's see, formality. I think a postulant for a religious order, 7.5 in formality. I think if you use postulant for something else, the postulant for a job, 8.5 in formality, maybe even 9. Very formal, quite unusual. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the French verb word postulant, from postuler, which is to effectively to ask a question, to claim, to ask for, to request, and that itself comes from Latin postulare, to ask a question. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Postulant.